Forex or crypto? Which one is easier to trade this year? If you are confused about whether to stick with crypto or start learning Forex, this video will give you a clear, beginner-friendly breakdown. Today, we are answering one of the most asked questions after my last video: Forex versus crypto trading for beginners. Which is easier and better to start this year? But before we continue, let me give you this quick disclaimer. This video is strictly for educational purposes only. Both Forex and crypto trading involve financial risk. There are no guaranteed profits, and you should always do your own research before trading. Now, let's break it down step by step. Many beginners say crypto is easier, Forex is too technical, crypto moves faster, Forex is safer. But most people making these statements do not really understand the differences. Some traders jump into crypto because it looks exciting. Others move to Forex because they think it is more stable. So which one is actually easier? Let's define both first. What is Forex trading? Forex means foreign exchange. It is the buying and selling of currencies like USD, which is US dollar, EUR, which is euro, then the third one, GBP, which is British pound. Forex is the largest financial market in the world and operates 24 hours a day, Monday to Friday. In the Forex, you trade currency pairs like EUR/USD and currency pairs like GBP/USD. You are predicting whether one currency will become stronger or weaker compared to another. Now, what is crypto trading? Crypto trading is the buying and selling of digital currencies like Bitcoin, which is BTC, Ethereum, which is ETH, and Solana, which is SOL. Crypto market operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, including weekends. So instead of government-backed money like dollar or euro, crypto uses blockchain technology. So let's talk about the key differences, that is simple comparison. So let's simplify it. First one, let's talk about the market stability. You see, Forex is generally more stable, one, and moves in smaller structured trends. But crypto is more volatile. Prices can move very fast within a minute. Are you getting it now? For example, now Bitcoin can move hundreds of dollars very quickly. But another way there, which is Forex, when we talk about EUR/USD, for instance, now they usually move more gradually. That is the difference. So if you are confused either to go for Forex trading or to stick with crypto trading, I have started giving you the key differences. I want to be comparing both, and I started with what? Market stability. So I'm still going there now to advise you. Alright, so let's move on. But before we continue, if you're very new to my YouTube channel, please give me a like on this video. Help me to share this video. You have a concern, drop it for me in the comment section and I will respond to that as soon as possible. Then please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more valuable contents. And if you want to enroll for my course, send the pinned comment or description to this video. You will see link to connect with me and go enroll for my one-on-one mentorship. So let's continue. About the key differences. The first one is market stability. We are done with that. The second one is regulation. In Forex is highly regulated globally, and it involves banks and central institutions. But for crypto is less regulated in many countries. Are you seeing the difference now? It's less regulated in many countries. and it is more influenced by news and social sentiments. I've given you two now. The third one now, don't forget the first one is market stability. Second one is regulation, right? Now, the third one is trading hours. Forex operates Monday to Friday, while crypto operates 24/7, including weekends. So some beginners like crypto because it never closes. It operates every day, including weekends. So what does that imply? It means it is never rest. Now, keep the first four is learning curve. Yes, learning curve. Forex requires understanding economic news, interest rates, and inflation, while crypto is heavily driven by market sentiment, hype circles, and technology updates. So, which means both Forex and crypto requires technical analysis. So you are welcome back. I have given you key differences, but which is easier for beginners? So here is my honest answer to this. Which is easier for beginners? Now, this depends on your personality and risk tolerance. You now, if you prefer stability, structured movements, and economy-based analysis, then Forex may feel easier for you. Do you understand me? Forex may feel easier for you, but if you prefer faster movements, weekend trading, and tech-driven markets, then crypto may feel comfortable for you. Yes, crypto may feel more comfortable for you, but nevertheless, here is the truth many people ignore. The market does not determine your success. You see, your discipline, risk management, and education do. Yes, your discipline, risk management, and education do. It's not just about markets. Now, let me give you a realistic example. Let's say we have two beginners. Person A trade crypto without risk management simply because it moves fast. Yes, maybe it's volatile, right? And person B now trades Forex but over leverages and even ignore stop loss. So both person A and B now lose money. Why? This is not because of the markets. It is simply because of the poor risk control. Yes, very poor risk control. That is why I usually say skill matters more than market choice. So here's my recommendation for beginners. Yes, I want to give you my balanced advice. If you know you are completely new, either with Forex or crypto, you know you are completely new, start with demo accounts to practice it. Learn basic technical analysis. Learn it. I have a lot in my YouTube channel here. I have a lot. Check. Then start with street risk management. Yes, master those things very well. So when you are through with demo account, I will not say you should use demo account forever. No, just for you to understand some basics, how it works, and many things. Then jump to real trade. Are you getting me? Start with demo accounts to understand how it works. Then jump to real trade. Now start with small amount of money. I mean, money you can afford to lose. Little amount of money just to test run the water. So be it crypto or Forex, use this method for them. Demo, then real trade with very little amount of money you can afford to lose. So when you try this thing I'm giving you now, then choose the one that fits your personality and schedule. So get this final thought. Crypto you see is not safer. Yes, I do crypto. In fact, God has helped me to be making money from crypto, like consistent money. But does that mean I don't used to have loss? I used to have loss. But what keep me consistent in trading is because if I have loss, I usually see that the fault is mine. It's my fault. It's not just about markets. It's my personal fault. So if you understand trading very well, even if you have loss, you will know that yes, you caused it. You will not blame the market. You will blame yourself that I think I was the one that caused this for myself. I was careless. I did it. You will see. If you not trade very well, you will know that it's me. I think I did not trade professionally myself. I just did it like gambling. At times you will do some careless mistake. You know, it's a careless mistake and it can cost you a lot of money. So Forex is not safer. Crypto is not easier. Both are financial markets. Both involve risk. Both require patience. Now, the real question is, are you ready to treat trading like a skill and not a shortcut? Are you? Alright? If this comparison has helped you understand the difference between Forex and crypto trading, please subscribe to Sheyi Dairo for more structured and responsible trading education. So comment below, are you team Forex or team crypto, and why? Let's discuss. Okay, so guys, don't forget, I usually run with this: protect your capital first, profit comes second. These two videos, please go watch them. I love you guys. See you guys in my next video.